we are here to make our own perfumes. We are so excited. We've been wanting to do this for ages.
Yeah, a really long time.
Like, we've actually been talking about it for a long time.
We're so excited.
Yes.
What will be your signature scent? We
Lush.
will find out.
It will be luscious. Alright, let's go. Hey guys, so we just finished making our signature scents.
And they gave us like free stuff, dress perfume, and a bar of soap. Like, we're gonna be smelling good.
Yeah.
And it's tailored to you, so there's no reason for you not to like
Why wouldn't
your
you do
perfume
that?
if it's yours.
Yeah. So anyways guys, don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe.
and we'll see you guys at the next one. Bye!